many of the jobs are going to be wiped out due to AI. You heard me right. Some jobs are going to be completely wiped out due to artificial intelligence. We're going to have an AI replacement compared to a human actually doing the job. Kicking things off, the first thing that we have as part of the list, we're going to cover 3 different roles. Number 1, data entry jobs. If you are a recent graduate, a university student, or a high school student, or a professional at one point in time, you have tackled this. You have done data entry, whether for your own role or to help someone with their own job. Data entry is part of the day-to-day business activity, so to speak. Replacement for data entry professionals, where someone is going to be sitting there adding data, importing data into Excel sheets, filling up documents, mobilizing manual data to an online version, and the list goes on. AI most probably is going to be replacing data entry professionals. That's 1. 2, customer support agents. And we are seeing this, and I'm seeing this across various businesses. It's no longer about picking up the call and having a talk or a chat with a customer support agent to make a complaint about a product, or to learn about a product, or to ask for some service. Now you do have AI agents, and by the way, we do have courses and programs as part of our membership offering, which covers a lot of applications for artificial intelligence, including ChatGPT for various productivity, office productivity applications, travel, content creation, and the list goes on. In addition to creating AI virtual agents, we are teaching students and professionals how to build AI agents, and we're helping businesses adopt this as well. And let me tell you something, it's real. Customer support AI agents are real. They are being used in order to provide support to customers, rather than just simply having someone pick up the call and provide you with assistance. So if you are a customer support agent or a customer support manager, it's important to learn how to use AI, because at one point in time, AI might cause some job replacements, or even wipe out the entire domain of customer support and shift it to artificial intelligence based compared to being a human interface based. And then we do have telemarketers. Often you do have centers, you do have individuals who are just simply telemarketers, and just simply they call individuals to market their products and services. Guess what? This will be most probably wiped out by artificial intelligence, because AI now could clone voices. It's able to generate a voice, it's able to utilize text-based interface, transform it to a voice command and a communication, and you're not able to tell the difference. So it's very important to keep this in mind if you are a telemarketer, to use artificial intelligence in the best way possible to help you supplement your job, because guess what? It's a matter of time before such a profession is going to be replaced entirely by AI. Now, these are 3 different jobs which existed for decades, and most likely in the near future, they're going to be wiped out by artificial intelligence. Feel free to leave your comments about how do you think about this, or if you're concerned about your own unique job, and if there's a potential for an AI replacement, sort of speak, feel free to share your comments as well. And don't forget to destroy the like and the subscribe button to join our global community of professionals, to stay up to date with the in-demand market skills for you as a professional or as a student, to help you stay relevant in a dynamic and an evolving market, acquiring expertise which makes a difference in your professional and educational development in the fastest way possible and in the best way possible, such that you're able to excel and stand out, and to just simply grow at a professional level and at an educational level. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then.